Number 1. Forest. Struggle to stay focused? Try forest. Plant a tree, stay on task, and watch it grow. But if you leave, your tree dies. If distractions keep pulling you away, try forest. This app lets you plant a virtual tree that grows while you stay focused. But leave early, and it dies. Give your focus some roots. Number 2. Trello. Overwhelmed by tasks? Trello keeps things simple. Drag and drop tasks, organize visually, and stay on top of your day. Managing tasks with ADHD can be chaotic, but Trello makes it easy. Organize your projects with simple drag and drop cards and keep everything in check. Number 3. Notion ADHD-friendly organization? Yes, please. Notion is your all-in-one planner, notebook, and task manager. Customize it your way. Notion is your personal ADHD-friendly workspace. Take notes, track tasks, and organize your life, all in one app, customized your way. Number 4. RescueTime. Where does your time go? RescueTime tracks your habits and helps you stay productive. Get insights, set goals, and reclaim your focus. Ever wonder where all your time goes? RescueTime tracks how you spend it so you can cut distractions and boost productivity. Number 5. Focus at Will. Music that actually helps you focus? Focus at Will uses science-backed soundtracks to keep your ADHD brain engaged. Try it out. Focus at Will isn't just music. It's science-backed sound designed to help your ADHD brain stay locked in. Try it and feel the difference. Number 6. Evernote Forgetful. Evernote saves your notes, ideas, and to-dos all in one place. Never lose an important thought again. Can't remember where you put that important note? Evernote keeps everything, ideas, to-dos, reminders, in one easy-to-find place. Number 7. Todoist Checkmark. Task lists made easy. Todoist helps you prioritize, set reminders, and stay productive, even with ADHD distractions. Turn chaos into order with Todoist. Set tasks, schedule reminders, and stay ahead, without losing focus. Number 8. MindMeister. Think in visuals? MindMeister lets you map out ideas, organize thoughts, and plan projects in a way that makes sense to you. Visual thinker? MindMeister lets you create mind maps to organize thoughts and ideas in a way that actually makes sense. Number 9. Pomodone. Short bursts of focus, highs, big productivity. Pomodone breaks work into 25-minute sessions so you can crush distractions. Struggle with long tasks? Pomodone helps break your work into bite-sized 25-minute focus sessions so you get more done. Number 10. Focus Booster. Struggle with time management? Focus Booster keeps you on track with the Pomodoro technique. Work, rest, repeat. Need a simple way to manage time? Focus Booster uses the Pomodoro technique to keep you productive without burnout. Try them out. See you in the next one.